Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty things here on this channel, you guys. So before we go ahead and get started, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. I promise you're gonna like it. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. We got some good content here, baby. But today we are doing a foundation review. We're doing a foundation review on the Pretty Fresh foundation. We're doing a wear test and we're doing a review slash first impressions. So if you're ready to see how I like this foundation, how it wears, if it's even worth your money, then just keep watching. Hey everybody, today is another foundation review. So I went out and I picked up the Pretty Fresh foundation. You guys know that I am a huge fan of this Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer. I use it in like all of my videos. It just gives me the most natural skin-like kind of finish and I love that. So I am going to try the Pretty Fresh foundation. Today I had, just so you guys know, I have a CeraVe deep moisturizer on my face, and then I have the Ordinary's Buffet also on my face right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my NYX Dark Circle Concealer in the shade Light, because you know these babies need to be covered up today. I'm actually getting ready for work, so I'm gonna be able to give you guys a nice long wear test. So this wear test is going to be probably about 9 hours. I'm going to try and check in about halfway through. That way you guys can see, like, does it wear really well. I did wear this one other time. I didn't have it on for near as long and it didn't look very bad, but also I wasn't like doing anything. So I think by the end of the day we're gonna be able to have a nice good review. Okay, so I'm going to just take some of this. Now last time when I tried on the foundation, it looked a little ashy, you know, on me. And then I have the shade, what shade is this? 105N. So maybe I should have got like a yellow, more yellow undertoned one. But you know what? I can make almost any shade work. You see the Morphe one, the Morphe 2 review that I did, I kind of made it, I toned it down to where it would work. I think you guys are like crooked. Hold on. Or at least my camera is crooked. I don't know. Hopefully that's better. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pounce it in with a brush on this side, and I'm gonna do a sponge on this side and see which side looks better for you guys. And once again, I don't have the a primer on, but if you're a primer person, the Pretty Fresh brand does have a primer that goes along with it. I think that probably is a good bet if you're a primer person, but I don't think my skin looks bad without primer. So see, I think that looks really pretty and very skin-like over here. So I have this cute little brush. Remember when these were like all the rage a few years ago? My best friend Ashley, she gave this to me. Okay. It doesn't, okay. Okay. I see you, Pretty Fresh foundation. I see how it's going, yes. So really quickly, while I'm spreading this around, I want to tell you guys that I am so here for all of the smaller channels that are doing this small channel shout outs, and I don't really have time for that right now to sit there and look up all the names. I could if I really wanted to, I guess, because I always wake up 2 hours before I have to be there, but I also need to get food, so yeah, you know. Okay, so this looks in person a little more foundation-y on this side, and there is a little bit of a boo-boo over here, you know. See, one of my little friends. Oh, okay, okay, but see, this side looks super skin-like, so the coverage is a little bit more on this side. Let's see. I wonder if you actually can build this up though. So let me take a little bit on my finger like I have been, and then just place it on here. I like the finish with the Beauty Blender better, so I'm going to pounce the side with the brush just so we have some nice cohesiveness to my skin, you know. One side's not a little bit more foundation-y looking than the other side. This foundation is really so pretty. I want to say that you can build this up because you see how you could see it really well, so I think you really can build this up. That's actually really dark, so you know, keep that in mind. So I'm going to pop off of camera and I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll come show you guys the finished everything. Okay guys, so I'm back and I put on my whole face, and this is the situation. If I can get like my lights to quit being so overexposy. So basically, I feel like my pores are doing really good. Let me try and zoom you in. Maybe that would be better. Okay, so I went a little ham on the banana, like setting powder right there. Okay, don't fault me for it. It's because I can see a line and it bothers me. I hate it. But this is basically what my skin looks like. It looks really good in my laugh lines. My concealer looks pretty good. Nothing's melted. My forehead looks really decent. It's blended down my neck till about here, you know. I think that the foundation looks really good right now, and it is officially 8:18 in the morning. I know you guys can't see that very well, but yeah, you still can't see it. It's 8:18. Oh, also, I work in an office, and it's normally me and another girl, or like me by myself or something like that, but we're gonna be like training today, so there's gonna be another girl, so I have to wear a mask, and I've been having to wear a mask this whole time. But I found that the NYX Liquid Suede, the NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks, they last really well. They dry down, they're really comfortable matte, and this one is in the shade Soft Spoken, but I have a couple of other shades of this one, and I think that they wear really well underneath the mask. They don't transfer too much onto the mask, you know. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna go to work, and I'm gonna try really hard to, at lunch or something like that, to remember, you know, check in and all that stuff. So you're probably gonna see me in my car. Okay guys, so right now I have my lunch break, and I wanted to show you guys that it looks pretty decent considering like it's around 90 degrees. It's like mid 90s here in Oklahoma today. But I'm thinking that my face looks really good. Like, I still have my lipstick on from this morning, and my pores don't look too bad. It's definitely not melting off or anything like that. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty happy about it. But now I'm gonna go eat my lunch. So I'll see you guys back at my house. Okay guys, so I'm back from work at home. So this is my face from kind of far away, but with like a bunch of light, you know, so it still looks pretty good. Let me tell you though, I'm going to zoom you in. The foundation itself does not look bad, but from wearing the mask right here, it's definitely rubbed off a little bit. And let me go ahead and just zoom you guys in so you can see. So it's still pretty decent. It's a little bit greasy around my nose, and it's rubbed off on my nose, but I did have a mask on for 8 hours. So I think I'm doing pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so if you can see on my face, it looks pretty good. The areas in which the mask didn't touch, like on the top right here, for sure. It looks a little bit greasy, like I could like blot it or whatever. But at this point, it's almost 6:30. So I've had this on since, let's say, about 7:30. Okay, so being generous, I've had this makeup on for, let's say, about 9 hours collectively, because, you know, I put my makeup on, I gotta go make my lunch, I stopped in the morning and got a coffee, I went to work. Let's keep in mind, I work 90% indoors, and then like the other 10% I'm outside. So but I'm sitting, but it's hot outside, so you know what I'm saying, like it's not in labor intensive. Like, I'm not out there lifting and sweating or whatever, but I'm out there sweating just because like it's hot, you know? Okay. So basically I think it looks really good, especially from, like, say I have a mirror right here, and I'm just looking at myself like in person. I look shiny, and like almost to where I'm too shiny, but the coverage is still really, really good. It has stayed really, really well, especially for as much as I fiddle with my damn mask while I'm at work, you guys. I'm a mess. Okay. Okay guys, so that is my review on the Colorpop Pretty Fresh foundation. It's like $16. So I think the wearability, the color, the coverage, like all things considered, I think this product is so worth it, especially for just $16. I am now a fan of the Pretty Fresh foundation as well as the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer. So I'm just not a fan of the Pretty Fresh concealer, you know, but it is what it is. You can't win them all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos with all your friends. That way everybody can come and have a great time and get some good tips and tricks and all that good jazz here on this channel. So thank you so much. See you guys next time. Bye.